Nestled amidst the rolling hills and mystic mists of Shangrao in Jiangxi Province, China, lies a destination that transcends the boundaries between reality and a dream: Gexian Village. This is not merely a scenic resort. It is a meticulously crafted cultural sanctuary designed to embody the ethereal beauty of a traditional Chinese ink painting come to life. Sitting at the foot of the sacred Gexian mountain, the village is renowned as a paradise on earth, where the ancient philosophy of Taoism blends seamlessly with breathtaking natural landscapes. It is famous for its mesmerizing night views, often described as a dream of the Song dynasty, where thousands of lanterns illuminate the valley, creating an atmosphere of otherworldly enchantment. Here, visitors can experience the profound hermit culture, immersing themselves in a lifestyle that values slow living, meditation, and harmony with nature. From the architectural grandeur to the spiritual tranquility, every corner of this village tells a story of cultivation and peace. Join us as we step through the gates of time to explore the wonders of Gexian Village. Gexian Village is strategically located in Yanshan County, serving as the gateway to the illustrious Gexian Mountain, a site revered for over a millennium. While the village itself is a contemporary masterpiece of cultural tourism, its spiritual foundation is deeply rooted in the history of the Han Dynasty, 202 BC to 220 AD. The area is legendary as the place where the famous Taoist mystic and alchemist, Gexian, practiced cultivation and is said to have achieved immortality. Gexian, often referred to as Immortal Ge, chose this spiritual terrain to refine the elixir of life, leaving behind a legacy that permeates the very soil of the region. His presence transformed the mountain into a holy site, attracting pilgrims and scholars for centuries who sought to understand the mysteries of the universe. This brings us to an intriguing historical puzzle. Do you know which specific treasure, or talisman, Gexian is rumored to have buried on the mountain to protect the locals from plagues? If you think you know the answer to this Taoist mystery, please write your answer in the comments section below. The architectural philosophy of Gexian Village is a stunning homage to the aesthetics of the Han and Tang dynasties, characterized by grandeur, simplicity, and an elegant connection to nature. The structures utilize natural materials such as wood, stone, and bamboo, featuring sweeping rooflines and open courtyards that frame the surrounding mountain vistas perfectly. The village is designed not as a static museum, but as a living organism, with winding cobblestone paths, flowing water channels, and pavilions that invite pause and reflection. One of the most striking features is the lighting design. As night falls, the village transforms into a glowing spectacle, utilizing modern projection technology to enhance traditional forms. This seamless integration of ancient architectural styles with modern landscape design creates an immersive environment that feels entirely suspended in time. If you are captivated by this blend of ancient architecture and magical landscapes, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Give us a like and comment on which part of the village you'd love to visit. At its core, Gexian Village is a physical manifestation of Taoist philosophy, specifically the concept of unity between humanity and nature. It serves as the secular waiting room for the sacred Gexian mountain above, preparing the visitor's mind before they ascend to the ancient temples on the peak. The village embodies the Taoist ideal of a blessed land, a secluded retreat where one can escape the chaos of the mundane world to cultivate inner peace. Every garden, water feature, and walkway is arranged according to the principles of feng shui, ensuring a flow of positive energy, or qi, throughout the settlement. It honors the legacy of Geishuan not just through statues, but by fostering an environment that encourages the very practices of meditation and health cultivation he championed. For the spiritually inclined, the village acts as a bridge, connecting the earthly realm of daily life with the celestial aspirations of the mountaintop. The village is home to around 3,000 residents, primarily speaking a northern Jiangxi dialect. Daily life revolves around farming, festivals, and preserving ancestral traditions, creating a rhythm that feels timeless. Families live in multi-generational households, passing down handicrafts, songs, and folklore. Festivals, such as temple celebrations and harvest events, strengthen social bonds and provide visitors with an authentic cultural experience. Today, a visit to Gexian Village offers a multi-sensory experience that is both recreational and transformative for the modern traveler. Visitors are encouraged to don hanfu, traditional Han clothing, allowing them to fully step into the role of a scholar or maiden from a bygone era. The highlight for many is the spectacular night show, which uses water, light, and sound to retell the legends of Geishuan and the history of Taoism. Whether you are hiking up the mountain for a blessing, copying scriptures in a quiet hall, or simply sipping tea by the misty lake, the experience is profoundly healing. Gexian Village invites you to pause, breathe, and rediscover the rhythm of nature in a setting of unparalleled beauty. Thank you for joining us on this magical journey to Jiangxi. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments below.